Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Forgive my nails, forgive my hands. I just got through completing all of these. My name is Betty. I am the owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And normally I do a single video for each journal that I list in my Etsy shop, but I had a stressful day today, and so I done 3 journals. My youngest daughter had her baby this morning, and she had some heart issues with the first one, so I was very stressed. So I figured I might as well just go ahead and jump on here and do a video for all 3. They're very similar in the way that they are designed, but I will go through each one of them individually. Try not to make this video too long. I do not have the names for the journals yet. Hopefully by the time I get this video posted, I'll be thought of a name. So, yeah. But anyway, this is the first one. I love these colors. I love the pinks and the greens together. All of my journals, they are 4.5 inches wide. They are 7 inches tall. The spine is just a little over 1.5 inches. The back, they all have the little rivet there that holds the elastic closure. I do have decorative beads on the elastic just so that it makes it easier for you to grab. All of them on the inside, they will have 5 envelopes. And then I embellish them a little different each time, but for the most part, they're all very similar. So we'll just go ahead and start, and you'll notice on each of the journals that I show you, there will be this little tuck spot here, and that's just so that it will, you can tuck your envelope flap in, and it prevents the envelope flap from bending. So on this front cover here, we have this neat little pocket. Now this pocket, it does have a little space behind it, and I didn't stick anything in there yet. Or no, wait, I think I done this one. Yes, this one I done up top. I will stick something in there for whoever gets it. I do have a little closure down here. It's a little matching flower. It has a belly band, and I've got a little card stuck behind there. When you open it, you'll see there is a little side pocket there, and I got a little journal spot in there. And then this just opens. I don't have anything on here. I kind of wanted the receiver to be able to do quite a bit. And I do include a little packet of stuff that gives you that opportunity. And then you just tuck that right back in. You open this up, and I've got a little matching journal card in there. Then we go over here. We have a belly band. And behind the belly band, I just have a little journal spot. Then we open this up, and I just have some little journal paper stuck in there. On the back of that envelope, you can see where I done the fussy cut on one of the flowers. I just love the contrast that it had on that paper, and I love the shape. And then I just stuck a little journal spot there under it. Right here, we have another little journal card stuck in there, journal paper. On the back of that envelope, we have a side pocket. In that side pocket, I have just a little journal spot, but that side pocket opens up, and you have journal area there. In this envelope here, it's just another little journal spot that I've tucked down in there. On the back of that one, we have a little pocket, and I've got a little journal card stuck in it. And again, I kind of fussy cut around the design, and then there's some area for you to journal. And here we just have some more journaling area. And I went a little crazy. This is a kind of a belly band, but I see a gnat on my thing. Oh, it's that time of year here in Florida. Anyway, it's kind of like a belly band, but it is only it's open at the top and it's open at the bottom. Because this was so thick, I wanted to make sure that it had plenty of room or plenty of glue holding it down. So I just have a little journal card stuck down there. I have a little journal card stuck there. Now to keep this closed, it is like a feather that I've got glued down, and it just tucks behind it. So this opens. This is a little belly band here. Then let's see if I can get all this in camera. This opens. We have a little tuck, and I've got some journaling area there. We have a top tuck over here with the journal card, and we have a side tuck with the journal area. And now this opens, and we have a little corner tuck there with some journaling area stuck in it. And then this opens, and we have a little pocket with some journaling. And then we have another little side tuck with some journal area. So yeah, I might have went a little crazy on that one, but it was so much fun. I didn't want to stop, but I knew that I was already bulking it up so much, so I had to. Then over here I have a top tuck, and in that top tuck will lift up. Under it I just put like a little envelope for you to keep some little stuff in. I do have a little journal area that opens up, and then you can see there's the button that holds the elastic on for the closure. And that just all goes back in there. So yeah, that is the first one that I have. And it does stand up on its own. You can see the signatures when you look down in there, or you know, the envelopes. You can see where I really bulked that one up. It does have the corner corner protectors to prevent the corners from turning up. So let's go on to the second one. All right. This one here, I went with totally different colors and style than I normally do. As you all can probably tell, I love flowers. And, well, except for this, I really didn't do flowers so much in this one. It's the same thing. It's 4.5 inches by 7 inches. I do have the little beads and charms on there. It just helps in getting the elastic open. So when you open it, you will notice that this one is extremely bright, and it's so different than my normal style. But, you know, I just felt like being different. Again, you have that little tuck there on all of the envelopes. Now, when you, this is your front flap here, you'll see that it does have a belly band. I have a little journal area stuck there. I have another little flower holding it down. When you open this one up, you'll notice that I have a belly band and just have some little journal area stuck down in there. I did put a belly band here with some journaling area. When you open this up, there's a little journal area there. This opens on up, and I thought this was just so neat. I cut out one of the designs, and it looked so neat, just kind of stuck in there like that. Don't ask me why, but to me it looked neat. And then I have another little journal area there. And then behind it, I've just stuck a little journal spot for you. And again, this just closes down like that. Okay, so in this first envelope, I've got a little journal card. On this pocket here, or on the back of this envelope, I have a side pocket, and I've just got some little a journal spot tucked in there. I've got some journal area in there. And again, I've done a play on the design that was there. I kind of fussy cut around it. And I stuck a vintage piece of writing paper, and I love the feel of this paper. And on up, it's a journal spot. It's an actual white card. On the back of that envelope, I've done a double pocket. And so I've just got a little journal card stuck down in that one, and a little journal area stuck down in that one. Then here we just have another little journal spot. And on this, the back of that envelope, I have a double side pocket. And so in the front pocket, I have another one, piece of that vintage writing paper stuck down in it. and then just a little journal tag type thing. And then in the second pocket there, I just stuck a little, just a little card for you to journal on. In this envelope, we just have another piece of that journal card. Then back here, I just done a corner pocket or corner tuck. I tucked a little journal area down in it. And then on the back, I just done a pocket here with a really deep cutout. You can see I've got the matching button that's holding the elastic on, and then I've just got some journal area stuck down in it. And again, it has the corner protectors all the way around. It will stand up on its own. You can see very clearly the 5 different signatures or envelopes. And I love it. It's crazy. It's outside of my normal, but I absolutely love it. Okay, and so this is the last one I have for you tonight. This one, excuse me, I just played around with the blues. I incorporated the blues into it, as well as some of the little green for the lace there. Again, same thing. It has the little charms and beads to help get it open. Same thing, 4.5 inches by 7 inches. You can open it up, and you see this one is a very blue journal or envelope, or, you know, ephemera storage, whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so on this front, and I did not stick anything in here yet, but I will stick something behind there. It does have the little tuck spot there. I do have the little, this is the belly band, and it opens up, and I have a little journal spot in it. It is closed down with another flower. When you open it up, there is a belly band up here. I've just tucked a little card down in there. This opens out, and these are 2 little tucks, and I just stuck some little stamps in there for you to play around with. I do have some little journal spot there, and then there's some stamps there. Then we just close it back up and tuck it back in. Now in this one, we have a journal card. On the back here, I have a side pocket with a journal card stuck in it. In here, we have another little journal card. In this one, there is a belly band. It opens up, and then behind it, I've just got a little journal spot tucked in there. This one here has another little journal card in there for you. On the back, I do have a belly band with a journal card stuck down in it. Right here, I have another journal card in this envelope. Right here, we have, this is a pocket. I've got a journal card stuck in it, but this is closed like a matchbook, and you just open this up, and you can put in there whatever you want to put in there, and then to close it, you just tuck it back in. Right here, we have some more journaling area. And then on the back, again, I played around with the design, and I fussy cut it out, glued it down, and then I just stuck something real light underneath it to hold it in there. But I love the way it looked against that dark material paper. Then on the back, it's another one of those pockets with the really deep cutout. I do have a little journal area in there, and then I have the matching button holding the elastic together that keeps it all closed. And just like the other two, this one will stand up on its own, and you can see the signatures. It has the corner protectors. So these are 3 cute little journals that I absolutely love, each of them, and they will be in my Etsy. Should be in there by the time this video is posted. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will get back hopefully this week, now that everything's better with the baby and my daughter. I should be able to start recording some more videos on the digital design. I've had so many requests on that, and I do need to get that done. But head on over to my Etsy store, check out these. I have a lot of other stuff that I'm listing. I have been able to get with a supplier, and I've got some washi stickers and different stuff. So all of that's going to be in my Etsy store. So head on over, check it out. Go get you one of these journals while they're still there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Bye, guys.